Here's my Makita sliding compound miter saw. Now if we look down here, you can see out of the plate you can see there's a big chunk, and this plastic plate obviously is not too tough. Anything hits it or whacks it or bounces off of it, it's pretty much going to crack or break. So it's in pretty rough shape, and it's only been, I don't know, maybe about a year or so. On that level, I'm a little bit disappointed with this saw, given how expensive it was. You know, it's not the cheapest saw on the planet. But I'm going to replace this today with a zero clearance plate. These plates are basically just under a 1/4 inch in thickness. I'm going to use, this is a piece of plywood door skin, really is what it is. And to make up the rest of the thickness, I've got this clear piece of plexiglass. These two will be the exact thickness of the original plate. The plexiglass was 3/32 of an inch, the plywood was 3/16 of an inch. In metric, that would be 4.7 millimeters for the plywood and 2 millimeters for the plexiglass. So this is glued up now. We're pretty much there. Now I just have to drill out the holes that I need. And I'm going to put a couple of stops down. I'm going to take this, and I know the holes line up with the inside edge. With this and this now resting up against the blocks, we should get accurate locations for our holes. So in this step, I'm just taking a small mill file. I'm just cleaning it up. So now for a test. Not bad at all. Pretty smooth cut now. We've all but eliminated the tear out. Nice smooth cut. I'm really happy with how this turned out. It looks great too, actually. It looks pretty good. It's not the brand color for the saw, but who cares? It actually is a little sturdier. Between the two materials, this should last longer than the original plastic. This plastic insert plate was not the greatest. It's a two-part piece that comes out easy enough, and you could replicate this on a 3D printer if you had access to that, if you want to go through that kind of trouble. Or you could probably order the part from Makita, I suppose. That was a quick little project, and I'm really happy with the results and how my miter saw is cutting now. Kind of wish I had done it sooner. I know many of you out there have this very miter saw, so hopefully you'll find this useful. This was a great way to do it. It was a relatively cheap project, didn't cost me any money. I already had the plexiglass on hand. I already had scrap door skin plywood that I used, and that made up the proper thickness for the plate. As always, please remember to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Thanks for watching and have a great day.